Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best bird feeders, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. King's Yard Squirrel-Proof Platform Bird Feeder. Durable, easy refill design for bluebirds and small songbirds. Designed for seed feeding and bird-watching enthusiasts, the King's Yard Platform Feeder features a squirrel-proof metal mesh cage with 1.5-inch openings, allowing access for small birds like bluebirds, chickadees, and nuthatches while deterring larger intruders. Its fly-through, all-round opening design encourages frequent visits and easy feeding. Built from recycled plastic and rust-free metal, this feeder withstands rain, snow, and sun without denting or cracking. The ventilated metal mesh tray keeps seeds fresh and dry, promoting a healthy feeding environment. With an easy refill top and compact footprint, it's a thoughtful gift for nature lovers and a reliable addition to any backyard or garden setup. Number 2. Perky-Pet Squirrel-Proof Bird Feeder, 6-port metal design with weight-activated cage. Designed for seed-eating birds, the Perky-Pet feeder features a smart, weight-activated metal cage that blocks access to feeding ports when squirrels attempt to perch, keeping your seed safe and your birds undisturbed. With 6 U-shaped perches, it accommodates multiple birds at once, encouraging lively backyard visits. The powder-coated metal construction ensures rust resistance and all-weather durability, while the clear reservoir lets you monitor seed levels easily. Holding up to 2 pounds of mixed seed, black oil sunflower, chips, or safflower, it's a reliable, low-maintenance solution for year-round bird feeding. Ideal for nature lovers seeking a squirrel-proof, multi-bird feeder with lasting performance. Number 3. Home Bird Acrylic Bird Feeder, award-winning, weatherproof design for all birds. Voted the Birdwatcher's Choice Award winner, the Home Bird Acrylic Bird Feeder offers premium outdoor feeding with zero hassle. Pre-built and ready to use, it mounts easily to fences, walls, trees, decks, or balconies using included Velcro and screws, ideal for finches, orioles, bluebirds, and more. Its patented design is squirrel and pigeon-proof, with a large seed tube that twists off for fast refills. Made from durable, weatherproof acrylic, it resists rain, wind, and snow while preventing mess and seed waste. Perfect for year-round birdwatching, this feeder combines functionality, style, and convenience, backed by a lifetime guarantee for peace of mind. A thoughtful gift for nature lovers and a reliable sanctuary for feathered visitors. Number 4. Jellas Retractable Bird Feeder, squirrel-proof, weather-resistant design for chickadees and seed feeding. The Jellas bird feeder offers a spacious, retractable design that holds up to 2.2 pounds of nuts or seeds, ideal for chickadees and other small garden birds. Made from durable, high-quality plastic, it features a hexagonal rainproof roof and 360 degrees perch access for comfortable feeding. Its easy refill top with a unique latch system simplifies cleaning and refilling, while the gravity-fed tray ensures continuous seed availability. Fully assembled and ready to hang under eaves or in gardens, this weather-resistant feeder combines convenience, protection, and thoughtful design for year-round birdwatching. Number 5. King's Yard Squirrel-Proof Bluebird Feeder, durable, easy refill design for year-round seed feeding. Crafted for small songbirds like bluebirds, chickadees, and nuthatches, the King's Yard feeder features 1.5-inch fly-through openings that block squirrels and larger birds, ensuring safe, uninterrupted feeding. Built from recycled plastic and rust-free metal, it resists weather damage and maintains structural integrity through rain, snow, and sun. The elevated metal mesh tray promotes airflow and drainage, keeping seeds dry and fresh. With pull-out legs and simple cage attachment, setup is quick and stable. The easy refill top lid allows fast access for replenishing seed. Ideal for gardens, patios, or under eaves, this feeder makes a thoughtful gift for bird lovers and a reliable addition to any backyard sanctuary.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.